My name's Josh Troitso,
I'm Laura.
and we live in Columbus, Ohio. So as a family, we own Carpenter Son Design Co., which is a small furniture company here in Columbus, and we build handcrafted goods for businesses and families, residential and commercial projects. A lot of our work is centered around community-driven design, and we help build pieces that bring people together.
We were trying to raise money to put towards the adoption of our third son, and Josh was working full-time. The company just continued to grow and grow, so we decided to pursue it. So we were originally looking for a property where we could put the wood shop on the property, but then some friends of ours called us and they had found this abandoned property.
We didn't even see the inside of the house, which was probably a good thing, because we drove past it and just fell in love with the area, and we called the guy and we'll take it, and it had literally been abandoned for years.
There was animals living in here. There was leaking in the roof, and things were falling down.
Yeah.
The floor was really bowed. It ended up being a complete gut. So we moved with our 4 boys into a camper in the backyard. We lived there for 6 months while the house was under construction.
So as we started dreaming about styles for the house, what we wanted it to look like, we had a lot of examples of work of the clients that we were working in their house. So we got to see a wide variety of what people were doing, and then we kind of got to choose from the things that we liked the best. We also used Instagram a lot.
We used Instagram, we used Pinterest. We would get out books from the library, stacks of design books, and let the kids kind of flip through. And
this one image in particular that kind of brought the kitchen together was like a dark blue cabinet with a walnut top, and that's kind of what started the dream of doing some bright accents in the kitchen. But we always knew that we wanted a big copper farmhouse sink, and that was we knew that had to be part of the project.
We started with a sink. I really wanted to have a double basin sink. I saw the copper sink and loved it, and we just started to piece together the rest of the design around that. So we not only went with Syncology in the kitchen, but all the sinks in the entire house, as well as a freestanding bathtub, came from Syncology. We have fire clay, we have nickel, and we have copper sinks, and we're really happy with all of them. I would definitely recommend them over other brands. We haven't had any complaints or problems. We get compliments every time people are in the house on the look and the feel. So we've been really happy with the Syncology sinks.
A lot of our friends had used Syncology products, and some of our clients too, and so we kind of knew from the start that Syncology was the right choice for us. There's always lots of projects to do with anyone's house, and so we have a laundry list of things that we dream about that we want to work on. One being we're going to hand build some barn doors that quadrant off one of our rooms for a guest space. We'll be working on the yard and hopefully some of the outdoor spaces soon.
Try to do some vegetable gardens and
get
eventually
some goats.
Get some goats. We have some chickens out there.
Yeah. Behind the gardens, we'd hopefully have a little cabin or a guest house that we'd have in the back of the property for friends and family to come visit.
So we're dreaming about a tiny home that we can set up back there,
and maybe have a little Syncology sink in there too.
Yeah.